Quick shout out to Sealight LED, Sealight. Uh, they make some nice headlights, some nice LED headlights. So I didn't even know, but Rob had some headlights to put in this truck, so I got to it, and I noticed that it was Sealight. Well, cool thing about Sealight is they reached out to me about a week ago about maybe trying some of their products, and I said sure, and they were interested in sending me some for Mom's Escape. Well, they sent me some. It took like 2 days. Awesome. Told them I'd do a video for them. Cool. I had no idea I'd be getting to install 2 sets because Rob has them too. So this is my first experience with them, and the video is coming for Mom's Escape. I'm going to upgrade her headlights to sport style black housing headlights. But let me tell you, nice product, packaged nice, and what's cool is they're fanless. So this heatsink right here has no fan in it, which if you're familiar with headlights that are enclosed, headlight assemblies that have a rubber grommet on the back, you really want to put that back on. You don't want to cut it. Well, these let you do it because they're super low profile. And you can tell the difference. Like, I put high and low beams in this. Look how dingy the factory light is. And I just went through the wheel well over here. And you can see how nice the clearance is there. Super nice. Give you a little harness to plug in. So I'm going to be able to put the rubbers back on and we're ready to go. But yeah, shout out to Sealight LED. And you'll get a video for Mom's Escape too. I just have to get the new housings in. I want to freshen it up. They're kind of faded and everything. So, but I'm doing heads and fogs for that one. So, alright guys, Sealight LED. Check them out.